Hey friends, it's me, Albert. Today we're going on an adventure to explore something super important under our feet: soil. Plants need soil as their home, and not all soils are the same. Let's become soil explorers and discover the amazing types of plant homes right here in Florida. Our first stop is Spotasol, Florida's official state soil, also called Mayaca. It's like a soil sandwich: gray sand on top, a pale middle, and a dark, nutrient-rich bottom. Pine trees and palmettos love this soil, sending roots deep to find nutrients. The name Spotasol even means wood ash because of its ashy layer. Next up, Entasols, the young adventure soils. They're super sandy, loose, and easy to dig, found along rivers and beaches. These soils are perfect for tough plants like sea oats, and they're just starting their journey to become more complex soils. Meet Ultisols, the nutrient storage soils. They're rich in clay, which holds water and nutrients like a pantry for plants. Big trees like oaks and hickories thrive here, growing tall and strong. Ultisols are usually reddish or yellowish thanks to their mineral content. Alphasols are the Goldilocks soils, just right. They balance sand and clay, making them perfect for farming. Plants grow easily here, and farmers love them for crops like vegetables and grains. Alphasols are often found under hardwood forests, where falling leaves make them even richer. Now let's check out Histosols, the sponge soils. Made of old decomposed plants, they're dark, squishy, and hold tons of water. Found in wetlands like the Everglades, these soils are super fertile and perfect for crops like sugarcane and lettuce. Mollisols are the chocolate cake soils, deep, dark, and crumbly, packed with nutrients and organic matter. They're some of the world's best soils for growing food, and Florida has a few delicious patches too. Inceptisols are the growing up soils, older than entasols but not fully developed yet. They're found on slopes and valleys, slowly building layers and personality. These soils support forests and can be farmed with care. Marl soil is like a calcium carbonate mud pie found in South Florida, where flooding and drying create this unique chalky soil. Tropical fruit trees love it, especially guavas and passion fruit, thanks to its rich calcium content. Rocky limestone soils are the challenge soils, shallow, full of rocks, and very alkaline. Yet tropical fruits like avocados and mangoes thrive here, growing roots through ancient coral reef rock. Quick facts! Florida has 7 of the 12 major soil types in the U.S. That's a lot of variety. Marl soil forms super slowly, just 1 inch every 400 years. A handful of healthy soil has more living organisms than people on Earth, and earthworms are amazing soil helpers. What an adventure! We learned that every plant needs the right soil home to grow. Next time you're outside, look at the soil. What color is it? Is it sandy or sticky? Try a soil jar experiment and see what you find. Thanks for exploring Florida's soil secrets with me. Keep being curious and see you next time.